Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be comparing two very powerful AI tools, and they are Photopea and Imagine AI. Yes, that's right. Designers and photo editors that are looking for a free alternative to Photoshop, well, today I'm going to show you those free alternatives that are Photopea and Imagine AI, and we're going to compare these powerful tools to see which one you should use. Let's break it down. When it comes to type, Photopea is a web-based Photoshop clone, while Imagine AI is an AI-powered photo editor. When it comes to pricing, Photopea is 100% free with ads, so get ready for advertisements. When it comes to Imagine AI, it has a freemium plan, but some AI features are paid. When it comes to ease of use, Photopea feels like Photoshop, which means it has a steep learning curve, while Imagine AI is super simple and AI does the work for you. When it comes to AI tools, Photopea has no AI tools. It's all manual editing. While Imagine AI has Auto Enhance, it has background removal, it also has filters. When it comes to file support, Photopea supports PSD, AI, SVG, PDF, and the rest of them. When it comes to Imagine AI, it supports JPEG and PNG, and even PNG is like a limited pro format. When it comes to speed, Photopea is fast because it's browser-based, but Imagine AI gives you instant AI results. What are the best for? Photopea is best for pros that are needing Photoshop features free, while Imagine AI is best for beginners and quick AI edits. So Photopea wins if you need advanced layer editing for free, but Imagine AI wins if you want AI magic in seconds. So which one do you prefer? Photopea is for pro level control, or Imagine AI that is for quick AI fixes? Drop a comment below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech showdowns. See you in the next video.